Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. NFL has no comment on 49ers, Christian McCaffrey injury drama. NFL fans and Christian McCaffrey fantasy football owners were shocked when the San Francisco 49ers declared the star running back out just 90 minutes before kickoff against the New York Jets Monday night. McCaffrey had been hampered this summer by calf and Achilles issues, but appeared to be trending toward playing in the season opener. Instead, he was a surprise scratch. After the game, McCaffrey's replacement Jordan Mason, who ran for 147 yards and a touchdown in a 32-19 win, told ESPN's Lisa Salters that he found out Friday night he'd be starting. If true, it could be a problem for the Niners as they were less than forthcoming about McCaffrey's status. As of now, the NFL is not talking about any potential issues with how San Francisco handled the situation. A spokesman told Pro Football Talk that the league will decline to comment on the subject. Of course, no comment could mean a number of different things, including that the league is looking into the matter. Immediately following Mason's comments, it became clear to many that the 49ers may have a problem on their hands, given how tied in the NFL is to gambling and fantasy sports. Mason himself became frustrated when a reporter asked him following the game to clarify when he learned of his starting assignment. "That question right there is why I'm mad," Mason said. "That's why I don't like really talking to the media, because you say one thing wrong, and then, I don't know. Just skip that question." San Francisco is scheduled to face the Minnesota Vikings in Week 2 on Sunday, with McCaffrey's status for that matchup still TBD.